is how they do it in Japan, eh? Just like this. And they slurp it. That's considered good manners. That's to tell the chef that it's delicious. I've read about that. I've seen it on a documentary. N is for noodles. And what's my favorite noodle dish, Suzelle? It's ramen. Delicious, nutritious, and oh so easy. You will need some fresh chili, spring onion, some carrots, sugar snaps, white sesame seeds, black sesame seeds, optional, a boiled egg, some baby bok choy, or any other greens that your heart desires, and finally, your noodles. Let's prep our vegetables. Chop your spring onions, slice the chili, top and tail your sugar snaps, and now the bok choy. Let's make our seasoning sauce. About 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, a delicious sweet rice wine, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Give it a whisk and set aside. Today I'm making a veggie ramen. So I've cut up a delicious little blocky of tofu and now I'm going to pour over my marinade. Let it soak for about 10 minutes, then pour out the marinade and save it for later. Important. Pop your tofu blockies onto a lined baking tray. Bake it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until slightly crisp and golden. Cook your noodles just for as long as the packet tells you to. Hey Siri, set the timer for 3 to 4 minutes. Hey Siri. Oh, Siri is so irritating sometimes. Give it a mix. Our noodles are ready. Take your hot noodles out of the pot. Whoa, and place them in a bowl. Let's assemble our noodle bowl. Take your bok choy, place some here. Carrots, julienne. Sugar snaps, crunchy tofus. Boiled egg, very important part of the meal, guys. It really adds to the flavor profile. Some chili, depending on if you like it spicy or not. A flourish of spring onions. A little bit of black sesame seeds. White sesame seeds. Spoon over the marinade. This seasoning sauce is really going to bring out the delicious Japanese flavors. There's it. Oh, what's bubbling away in this pot, Suzelle? A delicious broth that I've made previously. It's a veggie stock, but you can use a chicken stock or anything you like. Take your hot broth and pour it over your noodle arrangement. Easy does it, guys. And for the final flourish, some of this nanome togarashi spice. And of course, your chopsticks. There's it. And there you have it, the most delicious noodle dish. That's a real crowd pleaser. DIY because anybody can.